Hey everybody, how's it going? Sean Elliott here with Zero to Income. And today we want to go through and show you how to set up a course page in system.io so that it has just a single video player with the lessons underneath. Okay, so let me just show you what we're looking at here. We go over, and this is our standard system.io course page. You've got your videos in here. Well, somebody was asking, hey, how do we set it up so that there's just one video player with the lessons underneath, and then that single video player on top, all the lessons play in that single video player, right? And it was a question that came up in a Facebook group, and they said, hey, they had an image of one of Jeff Walker's courses and said, hey, can we do this? I'm like, I think we can do that. So here's my version of this. Again, we have the single video player in the top, right? And then each one of these is a lesson. And when your visitor clicks into a video, it plays it. Okay, and it just opens up automatically and plays it. Now these aren't set up to autoplay. You could probably do that if you wanted to, but I was like, I think that just having this right here is what I prefer. I don't think I'd want it to be auto playing, but if that's something that you wanted to do, you could probably do that. But you just click on the corresponding video and it opens up. How cool is that, right? So you might be asking, just how do I do that? Well, in the description down below, we have the Zero to Income Toolbox down below. You can go in there, sign up for the free toolbox, and this code snippet is part of the free toolbox. Go check it out, and then you can go in there, grab the code snippet, add it to your course page, and then from there you would go through the directions on how to edit it and set up all the videos and thumbnails and things like that. It's a little bit of work, but I like the end result. So there you go, how to create a single video player with the lessons down below. And if you're really, really digging these videos, we got a whole playlist of system.io. Check it out. Thank you for watching.